Hello everyone, I'm Engineer James Okorie, the founder and director of James Okorie Technical Institute. Now, today we are talking about standalone cameras, right? So you can decide to buy big standalone camera, you can decide to buy a small standalone camera. In our previous videos, we have talked about solar standalone cameras. We have also talked about the one that is not solar standalone camera, the big solar standalone cameras and all the rest of them. But today I will be talking about this standalone camera. We have already advertised this standalone camera in case if you want to buy it. We sell them here at James Okorie Technical Institute, and also you can buy it with power bank. We sell them here. You can check the previous video to see the full detail of this standalone camera. But today I want us to discuss about how we can be able to connect them. What is a standalone camera? We say anything standalone means all in one. So any camera that have the ability to capture the motion of an environment, have the ability to process it, have the ability to transmit it for viewing purpose, and have the ability to store and record is referred to as standalone camera. So this standalone camera can work alone. It means that it works alone. It doesn't work with DVR, it doesn't work with NVR. So any camera that doesn't work with NVR and doesn't work with DVR for processing and for storage purpose is referred to as standalone. When you check this standalone, you see that it has ports where you can slot memory card. All right, so it means that for the storage purpose you can decide to use memory card, and also you can buy the space. You can buy space. They have cloud space that you can pay for, so that they can give you space for recording purpose. So standalone cameras are more easier to install than analog cameras and IP network cameras. So if you notice that the places that you're installing cameras, you don't need that, it doesn't permit you to run cables, you can go for standalone camera. And also if you want to install one or two cameras maybe outside, instead of you running cables and buying DVR and all the rest of them, why not buy standalone cameras? You can decide to buy the solar standalone camera, you can decide to buy the normal standalone camera that is not solar enabled. So standalone cameras, some of them are solar enabled, some of them works normally, but the main thing is that they use electricity to function. So the AC electricity is being converted to this electricity for it to power the camera, or the sun, which the solar have to be converted. Solar have to convert it to this electricity to power the camera. So no matter which of them you are using, it's just the conversion. All right. Now, apart from that, also if you are buying standalone cameras, some of them are SIM card enabled, some of them work with Wi-Fi. All right. But the main thing is that they work with internet. Now, for viewing purpose, you have to configure it. It means that every standalone camera have to work with app. So you have to download the app, configure the app, and also use it to use your phone to view the cameras. So if you want to know more on how to practically connect and install standalone cameras, please follow our videos, because we have so many videos we are doing on different kinds of standalone cameras, including the solar enabled and all the rest of them. And each of these videos will teach you how to connect them, how to configure them with your phones for you to view. So standalone cameras are very easy to install. If you're an electrician, technician, or an engineer, please learn how to install cameras, be it the analog type, the IP network type, and the standalone type. And the good news is that at James Okorie Technical Institute here, we train people practically on how to install cameras. We train people practically, hands-on practical training. If you come to our institute, 100% you will learn how to install any kind of camera, be it standalone, be it analog, be it the IP network cameras, and how to configure them. We are located at number 1 Alapede Street in Yonobaja, Lagos State, right? So you can come for our physical training, and also you can enroll for our online training. Just call us or send us a WhatsApp message on the number you see on the screen. I think it's 0703818778. I'm Engineer James Okorie, and this James Okorie Technical Institute. Our duty is to train you practically on anything that concerns solar installation, CCTV camera installation, industrial control panel and automation, AutoCAD design, and electrical wiring and installation, which include the domestic, the commercial, the industrial, automatic transfer switch. We teach all of them. We train people and we teach all of them practically here at James Okorie Technical Institute. I will see you. You can come from anywhere. We have accommodation, because we know that people do come from far places, so we have accommodation for you. All right, so you don't need to say that your place is far. And also we have what we call the regular program, the weekend program, and the part-time program. Why not give us a call today to understand more about our training? See you in our next video.